What's up, my fellow nutbusters? If you've ever had to send your unit in for repair, or you're just nosy about what happens behind the curtains at Induction Innovations, a true made-in-the-USA operation, this video is for you today. All right, let's talk about a repair process. If you're having an issue with your unit, reach out to us. We'll send you a troubleshooting guide as well as a repair form to get the ball rolling. Now, if you're the strong, independent kind that doesn't like small talk and want to go right for the end game, you can go get our repair form at theinductor.com, download the form, send it in with your unit. But listen carefully. This part is very, very important. We want your coils. Yes, every single one. The good ones, the bad ones, the slightly crispy ones, and the ones that you definitely shouldn't have been using but that we know at that point. Send them all. Why? Because those coils tell a story. They help my techs here at Induction Innovations diagnose the issue faster. They help us educate you on how to keep it from happening again and how to keep you up and running. The more we see, the quicker and more accurately we can get your unit back to you for your full nut busting glory. So don't hold out on us, send the whole squad.